All right, guys, let's talk about O2 sensors for a little bit, what we've got here. So yes, as we're talking about any new bikes, guys, they're going to have O2 sensors from the factory. Problem is, those O2 sensors are going to be narrowband O2s. And the biggest problem with the narrowband O2s is that they can really only read 14:7 to 1 air-fuel ratio. And we're not going to get into air-fuel ratios in this video, but if you want to know more, look that up and maybe we'll do another video about it. But what that comes down to is essentially those O2s can only say, I'm rich or I'm lean. That's it.
So when we talk about riding or dialing in power, throttle response, narrowbands can't do it, right? So once they get outside of their own metrics, they're kind of blind at that point, right? And this is where wideband O2s come into effect, right?
So widebands work completely differently than that. So as the narrowband can only really sense one thing, a wideband can read the entire spectrum of air-fuel ratio. So it gives a much broader kind of analysis as to how the bike's running.
Right. Which is pretty critical when you're chasing performance, right?
Absolutely. And that's why it's the foundation of our system is that auto tuning, right? So whether you've had that bike dynoed at a professional shop, or it's a mild build or big motor, whatever it is, you know, you've got that cushion there with the auto tune as well. So stage one guy, hey, it's auto tune, let it rock and roll. We got big motors and we put them on a dyno, give it a little bit of that auto tune to let it help, to let it work through barometric pressure sensing, things like that. So, you know, the auto tuning comes in and it's going to really finesse and dial that bike in exactly like it needs to be, right?
Right.
And so you couple that with everything else ThunderMax is doing, the constant load inputs, the barometric pressure, and then a wideband O2 over top of that, it's giving a really robust reading versus those stock narrowbands.
Correct. So basically ThunderMax is using wideband O2 technology, where it's constantly changing, constantly adapting to riding situations, taking wideband O2s and our self-learned system and constantly readjusting and redefining your tune, you know, on the fly in real time. You got it there, bud?
No, sir. So that's it, really. I mean, when we talk about it, there's not much of a difference at all between what a narrowband sensor can do and what a wideband sensor can do. It's night and day difference, really, right? And so that's why we chose to build our system around a true wideband auto tuning system. It's going to give you the most benefit out of your ride, and it's going to do it in real time, and it's going to make your life easy.